What do you wish for? Poor wishes to be rich. The sick wishes to be cured. The single wishes to be married. The one who has no children wishes to have children. Everyone has a different wish. And all these wishes are valid wishes, halal wishes, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to answer them. But there are certain people whom their wishes will never be answered. Brother Safi, can you put the light on behind you? But there are certain people whom their wishes will never be answered. And these are the wishes of the dead. The wishes of the people who have already passed. Even though nobody ever came back and told us what they wish for, but Allah Azza wa Jal documented that in the Quran till the day of judgment. And imagine that we have somebody that actually died and came back and told us what did he see and what does he wish for. Everybody would love to hear that, right? So they can avoid the difficulties and the hardships and the punishment and the torment that this person went through. Say, listen, I've been there. This is what happened to me. Wake up. Don't do this. Do that. Right? We would love that. Well, Rasulullah sallallahu told us. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us, because these dead people, their unseen became seen. They have seen angels already. They have seen, like Rasulullah ﷺ told us, they have seen their position. They have seen Jannah and they have seen Nar. Rasulullah ﷺ said when the person is in the qabr, a window will open and he sees Jannah. And he sees his place from the hellfire. And if he's from the people of the hellfire, this is his place. And if he is the people from the Jannah, they would tell him that was your place in Jahannam and this is your place in Jannah. So he have seen Jannah and Nar and seen the angels came and questioned them. They have seen it. So these are the best people to learn from. Right? So what do they wish for? Or before we go to their wishes, Rasulullah ﷺ told us what the righteous wish for also. When the dead body, Rasulullah ﷺ is taken, when the righteous person is taken to the grave, he would scream and say, "Qaddimuni, qaddimuni, yalla, bury me, hurry up." And when he is in the grave, he would say, "Rabbi, aqim as-sa'a, Rabbi, aqim as-sa'a." Ya Allah, make the hour take place. And he wants the qiyamah to rush. And only one person on earth that wishes to come back to dunya. Rasulullah ﷺ told us that one person only wishes to come back to dunya. And that person is, anybody knows? Shaheed. Shaheed wishes to come back to dunya and die according to the hadith, fi sabilillah 10 marrat, 10 more times, because of what he saw. طيب, what do the other people, may Allah save us, wish for? Some of them wish for to come back above the ground to pray 2 rak'ah. 2 rak'ah. Hadith we all know. Rasulullah ﷺ walking and he stopped by a grave. And he said, rak'atan, 2 rak'ah for this person under the grave. أحب إليه من بقية دنياكم. Ya Allah. If this person was given the opportunity to come back and given a choice, you own Australia, America, Europe, Africa, the whole world is yours. All of it, with its gold and silver and diamonds and oceans and mountains. All the streets are named after you. The country, everything is yours. This is one option. And another option, pray 2 rak'ah. Now, I would pick the first. But he, because he saw, he said 2 rak'ah. 2 rak'ah. Khayrun, not equal. Khayrun, better than owning the whole dunya. He saw. Another person, like the ayat I recited in the second rak'ah, another person saw the ajr of sadaqah. Ya Rabb, please, Ya Allah, bring me back ajalin qareeb, just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. I saw a box at the entrance of the masjid. Bring me back. I want to put $1. Ya Allah, I just heard that someone is orphan. I would like to give him $50. Ya Allah, bring me back for as-saddaq. I just want to give one sadaqah, Ya Allah. Please bring me back. He saw the reward of the sadaqah and its ajr and what it does to the grave. He wants to come back just to give a sadaqah, and we sit down in the fundraising, yelling and screaming and quoting every single hadith and every single ayah to beg the people to be saved in the grave. Anytime you see somebody offering you an opportunity to give in a noble cause, jump on them and thank them and kiss them from the forehead for giving you the opportunity. Not everybody has that opportunity. Another person, Allah told us, these are all documented. Look at the greatness of Allah, that He told us what's going to happen. Just like that guy I mentioned in the beginning. Imagine he came back and told us, listen guys, I'm telling you, do this. I've just came back from there. Allah told us, what do you want to do if I brought you back? You want to build a house? You want to open another business? No, Ya Allah, لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا فِي مَا تَرَكْتُ. I just want to do some righteous things. I just want to maybe read one juz of the Quran. I want to say a few more subhanallah. I want to come to Fajr in Jama'ah. I want to be good to my mother. I want to hug my father and tell him, please forgive me for everything that I have done. Please bring me back, Ya Allah. لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا, open, general salih, any amal salih. Ya Allah, please bring me back. And the striking answer comes and says, Kalla. Kalla. Too late. You're not going anywhere. I gave you time after time, year after year. I send a guy on Sunday morning at Fajr to remind you. No more coming back. It's done. Anytime you see in the Quran the word Ya laytani, whatever comes after it will never take place. Ya waylata laytani lam attakhidh fulanan khalila. That best friend of yours, if he was not from the righteous people, Allah told us on the day of judgment, you will wish, I will never take him as my Khalil, as my best friend. لَقَدْ أَضَلَّنِي عَنِ الذِّكْرِ. He took me away from the masajid. And others would say, يَا لَيْتَنَا أَطَعْنَا اللَّهَ وَأَطَعْنَا الرَّسُولَ. Ya akhwan, this is all ayat. I wish we have obeyed Allah, and I wish we have obeyed Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I wish I can come back and grow my beard. I wish I can go back and eat with my right hand and do any sunnah I can do. I've neglected the sunnahs. I used to say, it's just the sunnah. Ya Allah, bring me back. Ya laytani takhadhtu ma'a ar-rasul sabila. I wish I followed his path. This is all in the Quran. And the biggest one comes in Surah Al-Fajr. Ya laytani qaddamtu li hayati. Ya laytani qaddamtu li hayati. I wish I've given more to my hayat, to that hayat. I wish I've done more. Qaddamtu. In this dunya, ya akhwan, Allah in the Quran mentioned it a few times. ما قدمت وأخرت. In our daily life, there are only two options, D and R. There's no N. قدمت أو أخرت. The day I do not do something that will bring me close to Allah, that means I'm going backward. There's no neutral. Allah did not say قدمت أو أخرت أو بقيت أو لا 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 قدمت أو أخرت. So, with all the burials that we see every single day, and these are all messages to me and to you, you're next. And we're still delaying tawbah, delaying any amal khair. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala praised the people. He said, يُسَارِعُونَ فِي الْخَيْرَاتِ. They race. You're going to visit that brother that's sick? No, I'm going before you. You want to sponsor that? No, I'm sponsoring him. I already took care of his rent. I'm doing it. يُسَارِعُونَ. They race. They race. Not just they do khairat, they do good. They race to do good. So we are still above the ground, ya akhwan. We're still above the ground. We're still above the ground. And we don't want to be from the people who will have these wishes. We want to say, Ya Rabb, aqim as-sa'a. Ya Allah, bring the hour close. I want to, that's it. I want to go to Jannah. اللهم اجعلنا من أهل الفردوس الأعلى. اللهم اجعل أفضل أعمالنا خواتيمها واجعل آخر كلامنا لا إله إلا الله. Ya Allah, we beg you to make our last deeds our best deeds and our last words لا إله إلا الله. May Allah bless our children. May Allah protect them from any evil. May Allah protect our parents and elevate their status. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive all our sins. وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.